Guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I've guided you to change your age on the GoWish app. Now if you want to change your age on the GoWish app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. First thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the GoWish app on your device. So if you have not installed the GoWish app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on your device. So after that you just need to open the GoWish app and make sure that you're already logged into your account. So if you are not logged into your account, then you won't be able to change your age on it. So this is the wish list page. Here you will see the option of activity, inspiration and friends at the very bottom. So to change your age, you just need to click on the option of your profile icon at the very top right, and this takes you to the page of yours, and from here you just need to tap on the option of account at the very end. So this is the profile section page where you'll see your first name, last name and date of birth and all of it. So click on the option of date of birth, and from here you just need to adjust your age and you'll be able to change it like this in a simple way. So click on the option of save after doing it, and your date of birth will be changed and it will be updated. So that's it. That's how you can change your age on the GoWish app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.